Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acorn. 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 Acorn is a noun that refers to the small, typically ovoid or conical seed of an oak tree. It is enclosed in a tough shell and is a crucial food source for wildlife, as well as the seed from which a new oak tree can grow. Here are some examples. Example number 1, the acorn's journey begins with germination, as it sprouts into a young oak sapling. Why acorn is used in example number 1. Acorn represents the starting point of an oak tree's life. Example number 2, acorns play a vital role in the ecosystem, supporting diverse wildlife populations. Why acorn is used in example number 2. Acorn are significant for ecosystem health. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.